What's going on, everyone? I hope you're having a good day. And today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to trade step by step. So if you're a beginner and you don't know where to start, watch this video. It's perfect for you. Let's get right into it. So the very first step is you're going to need to find a strategy. And without a strategy, you're literally just a gambler because you're getting in and out of trades without any reason, without an edge in the market. So you need to find a strategy first. You could go on YouTube and literally just search up day trading strategies, and you'll find a strategy there that will work for you and you will like it. Or I recommend using smart money concepts. That's what I use. I use SMC, which is the short term for smart money concepts, and I use those concepts to build up my own strategy. And in the future videos, I'll be sharing exactly what my strategy is. And for now, I do have a playlist called Trading Tools where I give you all the smart money concepts that you need to build yourself a profitable strategy. And I'm still adding to that playlist every single day, so make sure you check that out to help you trade and become profitable. Anyways, once you have the strategy, what you're going to do is the second step, which is to backtest that strategy. And this is one of the most important parts of trading. If you're not backtesting your strategy, you do not know if the strategy is right fit for you or not. And your strategy needs to be matching your style. And if it doesn't, it's just like a job. If you work a job just for money and you don't like the job, you're going to be miserable at the job and you're not going to want to do it. Just like that, if your strategy doesn't match your style, you're not going to want to trade and you're going to make bad mistakes and it's going to mess you up in the long term. And backtesting is also one of the most important things in trading because it makes your strategy better and gives you more confidence, and it tells you where your strategy is not working and where it is working, so you can only use it when the strategy is working. And to backtest your strategy, there's softwares you could use. I use FX Replay, and I could give you a whole full-on tutorial on that. It is paid, but I use it for free because there's a free trial for 5 days, and every 5 days I just reset the free trial by making a new Gmail account. And just the user interface might be a little bit confusing for some people here, but I'll make a whole tutorial on that too if you want. Leave it out. If you want me to make a whole tutorial on FX Replay, leave it down in the comments below, and I'll for sure do it. Anyways, that's what you're going to use to backtest the strategy, and you're going to do this for at least 3 months, okay? You're going to go back in time 3 months, and you're going to see how you traded, what your win percentage was, how much profit you made, and ideally you want to make at least 8% profit in those 3 months. That's the least, okay? If you can't make 8% profit with your strategy, then probably switch your strategy and go to another strategy and stick with that strategy and backtest that strategy and make 8% profit on that one. The next step and third step is you need to go demo. What that means, demo means is using paper money, so fake money to trade so you could get your confidence up in the real markets, okay? So you're going to be trading in the live markets just like I do. The difference is you're practicing for now, okay? In the live markets, you're seeing how the price moves live, okay? What you're gonna do is go on demo. So you're gonna go on fake money account. So let's say you have a $50,000 fake money account, okay? And I'll tell you how to set that up in a future video. If you need help with it, just comment down below and I'll let you know for sure. If you have a 50K account, paper account on demo, what you want to do, set rules for yourself. So one of the things is you need to make 6% profit on that account before you lose 4% of it. Because if you lose 4% of it, then you're not ready to go buy a funded account, which is the next step. And it's one of the most important steps to actually make money from the markets. What you're going to do is pass that demo account, so make 6% 3 times without losing 4%, okay? So after you pass the demo accounts 3 times, what you're going to do is get funded, okay? Funded accounts are basically these companies that will give you their money, not their actual money, but it's fake money. So they'll give you a fake $50,000 to trade with, but whatever you make on top of that is real money that they'll pay you out. And remember that we did the demo thing. There's challenges that they make you do. To get funded, there's a challenge that you have to pass, which is make 6% profit before you lose 4%, okay? So you can't lose more than 4%, but you have to make 6% profit. Just like how we practiced in our demo, so now we're ready to do this easily, okay? And you do have to pay for this about $50 a month until you pass the account. So until you make that 6%, you have to pay $50 a month. You should be able to do it realistically within a month if you are practicing the fourth or the third step, by going demo. If you have done this 3 times in a row, there's no reason you shouldn't be able to pass the funded account and make some real money off of it. If you guys want me to explain how prop firms or these companies that fund you work exactly and how they make money off of you, let me know in the comments below. Again, I know this is a lot of information, but I'm trying to just show you the overall steps right now, not go in details. I'll go into details in the future videos. If you have any questions about what funded accounts are, how to backtest your strategy, what FX Replay is, how you create a demo account, just let me know all of that in the comments down below and I'll answer everything in a video. The last and final step after you get it funded, after you pass funded, because you're gonna pass it if you do pass the demo account 3 times in a row, which you're gonna pass because you're gonna have a profitable strategy that you back tested, right? So next step is emotions. The biggest difference between demo and getting funded is on demo, you're trading with no emotions. It's fake money, right? So you literally don't care if you lose any money. So you're going to most likely do really, really good on the demo part. But as soon as you get on the funded, when you know real money is on the line, you're probably going to start letting your emotions affect you. And that's what 98% of the traders do. That's why they fail, because they let their emotions get to them. If they lose once, they'll revenge trade until they make that money back or they blow their account. And most of the time, what happens is they blow that account fully and they fail the account and they lose the 4% before they can make the 6%. So be part of the 2% of the traders that are disciplined enough that their emotions don't affect them at all. If you take a loss and you know that you've taken a heavy loss, do not go into another trade. Come back tomorrow, come back better, and you'll have a better opportunity tomorrow. Those are the 5 steps to trade. And if you have any questions, I know I literally overwhelmed you with a lot of information right now. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I will literally make a video on every single comment that is commented under this video, like what the software is, blah, 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 how to backtest your strategy, how to go demo, how to get funded, what the process is, and everything, okay? Just let me know down in the comments below. And for now, I'm out. Peace.